Hi everyone, my name is Anna. Today I am walking in Dublin. It is a beautiful day. I like Dublin. It is green, friendly and interesting. But sometimes I feel a little lonely here. I still don't know many people. So today I want to go somewhere nice. Maybe I can have a little adventure. Let's go together. Oh, Dublin Zoo. I didn't plan this. But maybe this is a good idea. I am alone. But animals are good company, right? Okay, let's go to the zoo. Hi.
Hello.
One ticket, please.
One adult ticket?
Yes, please.
That's €20.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Here you are, and here is your ticket.
Thank you.
Enjoy your visit.
Good start. That was easy. Oh, look, a zoo map. I definitely need this. Big places and no map? No thank you. Wow, this zoo is bigger than I thought. Monkeys, penguins, lions, elephants. Okay, I want to see everything. Maybe not in 1 hour, though. Okay, now I'm inside. So, where do I go first? This way or that way? Why do maps always look easy until you use them? Let's see, monkeys are on the left, giraffes are straight ahead, penguins are farther away. Monkeys first. I think they will be fun. Oh, wow! They are so active! Look at them! They are running, climbing, jumping. This one has more energy than me in the morning. And they are never alone. They always have someone near them. Maybe I need monkey confidence. Just go to people and say hi. Maybe not like this, though. Okay, that monkey is definitely the funniest person here. Okay, now giraffes. Wait, no, this doesn't look right. Why am I like this with maps? Ah, that explains a lot. This map was upside down. Great job, Anna. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can you help me, please? Where are the giraffes?
Of course. Go straight ahead, then turn right. You'll see them near the big open area.
Go straight, then right?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See? This is why excuse me is such a useful phrase. It helps everywhere. Wow. Wow. They are so tall. So tall. Their legs are long. Their necks are long. Everything is long. They look very calm. Very elegant. If I were a giraffe, I would see everything. I would see the whole zoo. Do you think giraffes ever feel awkward? Because I do. Quite often. But they still look confident. I like that. Okay, small break. Walking and looking at animals is serious work. Let's check the map again. Next, penguins. Good, I love penguins. They are cute, funny, and they always look a little busy. I think I look like a penguin when I'm late. Oh, look at them. They always stay together. That is so sweet. This one is walking like he has a very important meeting. Yes. And this one looks like he forgot something. I like penguins. They are funny, but also kind of emotional. At least, That's a head scanso, I think. Sometimes I think it would be nice to have someone to walk with too.
Look, that penguin is swimming. Yes, he is very fast. He is faster than me. Me too. I think penguins are the stars of the zoo. They really are.
See? Small talk, tiny conversation, but it feels nice.
Okay, now this is different. The lions look powerful, very powerful, and also sleepy.
Why do the strongest animals always look like they need a nap? Maybe true confidence is just being calm, not loud, not nervous, just calm. Wow, very beautiful. You know, when you move to a new place, everything feels strange at first. New streets, new people, new words, new habits. Sometimes you want friends, but you don't know where to find them. And sometimes you feel silly for being shy. But maybe friendship starts with something small. Hello. A smile. A question. Maybe it doesn't have to be big.
Hi. Hi. Do you know where the elephants are?
I think they're near the lake area. I'm going there too.
Oh, really?
Yes.
This zoo is bigger than I expected.
It is.
I always get a little lost here. Me too.
Are you visiting Dublin? I live here now, but I'm still new.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See? That started with one simple question. I think I want to look in the gift shop.
Oh no. Everything is cute. Look at this. A tiny penguin. Do I need it? No. Do I want it? Yes.
Can I help you?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
Okay.
Useful phrase. I'm just looking. Very useful in shops. Okay, I'm leaving now. This was a really good day. I saw monkeys, giraffes, penguins, lions. I got lost. I asked for help. And I even talked to people. So maybe today was not really about animals. Maybe it was about feeling brave. If you feel lonely in a new city, if you feel shy, if your English is not perfect, that's okay. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start with a smile. Start with, hi. Start with one small question. Little by little, life becomes bigger. Thank you for coming with me today. Follow me, and let's learn English together. See you soon!